Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hopes and Dreams on electric guitar. First, ensure your guitar is in standard tuning. We'll start with the main melody. Begin on the G string, playing the 3rd fret twice. Then, move to the 5th fret, followed by the 7th fret, both on the G string. Conclude this opening phrase by returning to the 3rd fret on the G string. This establishes the foundational sound of the song. Now, let's dive into the core melody. Start by sliding your finger up to the 7th fret on the B string. Next, play the 9th fret on the B string, then come back to the 7th fret. Transition to the G string, hitting the 8th fret, then the 6th. A key technique here is a pull-off from the 8th to the 6th fret on the G string, creating a flowing sound. To add depth, we'll introduce some power chords. The song primarily uses a progression of B-flat 5, G5, E-flat 5, and F5. For the B-flat 5, place your finger on the 6th fret of the low E string. The G5 is played on the 3rd fret of the low E string. Then, move to the E-flat 5 on the 6th fret of the A string and the F5 on the 8th fret of the A string. These chords provide a rich harmonic background. To truly master Hopes and Dreams, consistent practice is essential. Start by playing slowly with a metronome to build rhythmic precision. Pay close attention to making your transitions between notes and chords as smooth as possible. Experiment with your guitar's tone. A clean sound works well for the melody, while some distortion can enhance the powerful sections. Repeat difficult parts 10 to 15 times to develop strong muscle memory.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.